Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix SIM card no service problem. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings, and here you need to turn on the airplane mode for 1 minute. So wait for 1 minute, and after that you need to turn off and your issue will be solved. But let's suppose you are still facing issue. You need to go on to the settings of your smartphone. Go into the SIM and network settings. Click on your SIM, scroll down, and here you can see different options. Here you can see preferred network type. Click here, and first you need to switch to the 2G, and after 10 to 15 seconds switch to 3G, 4G or 5G. Click on OK, and hopefully your issue will be solved. But let's suppose if you are still facing an issue, go on to the system, click on system updates, and click on online update, and you need to update your smartphone as well. As you can see, my smartphone is updated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.